What's up? Today I am going to show you my I present you my code that I learned from end-to-end memory networks paper that is written by Facebook AI Research and Department of Computer Science in New York University. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the data. So I'm using this site data. You can download it from here. I actually downloaded it, and let me look that uh, I use the US COVID data. So if you download it and you look at it, uh, you can find some of these data useful for COVID-19 dataset and some of them not. And actually, this is all the dataset, okay? But in this paper, we cannot use this dataset and we have to optimize it. So let me show you my dataset. Okay, not this, here. Okay, this is the dataset I made from that data. It's not mine. And look, let me tell you some. Here I actually make a scenario, question, and the answer. Okay, these are not real. Don't take them seriously. This is just for educational purpose and making chatbot for COVID-19 or anything else, any subject you want. But don't take them seriously. Okay, I just want to say that. Okay, so in this paper we have a story that our stories are here. For example, I am sneezing and I have itches. We have a question that says, can you tell me if my sneezing and fever are signs of coronavirus? This is our question, and we have answer. This answer actually not real, but it's no. Okay, so in our code we have a vocabulary. Okay, all these words are our vocabulary, and we cannot make a question out of these words. Okay, so here I print my vocabulary here, so you can see them. Okay, then we make our story and question and actually our answer here like the format of our dataset. Okay, our story here, look, our question here, and our answer. And after we vectorize them, we pass them to predict function of our model to predict them. And here we print out if it's yes or no. Actually, this is our output and how much we sure of this output. So that's kind of cool. You can develop this code on any subject you want, but my actually university project was on COVID-19 subject, so I use it for COVID-19, but anything you want. Okay, so this is answer for this story and this question. And let me actually make the others. Okay, let me run it. For example, I have difficulty to breathe and fever and itches. Let me say you why you should put a space here, because in dataset, look here, I put a space actually here. If you can see, it's hard to see, but you can find it out. I think I put my dataset near to my code in my GitHub repository. It's not anything important. Yeah, I put it in my GitHub repository. You can see it. Okay. But let me print my test data here, that you can see how it's arranged. Okay, if you look, you see each word are separated, and the dot here is separated too, so that we have to separate it here and here actually. So, and our question, the question mark, should be separated too. If you look here, it's separated too. So if you have problem in understanding this, let me show you this. Look, when I split our question, the format is actually like this, the format. Okay, you can look, any part of my sentences is separated, so I actually want this. Okay, well done. So after I run it and run this one, vectorize, okay, predict, and see what happened. So if you have difficulty to breathe and fever and itches, and you are kind of lazy, you actually have coronavirus and you have to stay in home. Okay, and this is how our model show. Actually we trained our model here and we did not import it from anywhere else. So you can read this article, and I have very small amount of data. Okay, just 100 rows of data. If you want to use it for a project, you have to make much more data. That's a very little amount of data, so you can try your best, but it's a hard work, to make this data up. And that's it. I will put my repository link in the video description. I will be very happy if this code will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.